Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something that I genuinely believe can change the way you do business, especially if you're tired of chasing leads, missing client calls, or spending hours doing follow-ups. It's called Callsi, and it's basically like having a smart AI-powered phone agent working for you 24/7. I've been testing it out for the past few days, and the results have been super impressive. Callsi can handle both inbound and outbound calls. That means it can answer your customer calls anytime, even at 3 a.m., and also make calls for you, like sending reminders, following up on leads, or even doing cold outreach. It sounds shockingly real too, like an actual human agent, and it even supports multiple languages, including Spanish. One of my favorite features is the lead qualification system. Instead of wasting time on unqualified leads, Callsi filters and qualifies them for you, so you're only spending time with people who are actually interested. It also integrates directly with your Google Calendar, so it can schedule appointments automatically, confirm them, or even reschedule if needed. Setting up a campaign is easy. You choose your agent's voice, customize the script, set calling hours, and you're off. You can even track performance, read full transcripts of every call, and set up follow-ups instantly. Whether you're in real estate, running an agency, or selling products online, this tool can save you hours while boosting your conversions. I'm honestly excited about what Callsi can do, especially for solo entrepreneurs or small teams. If you want to learn more about Callsi, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.